In this video, we'll walk you through how to build custom proposals that feel tailored to your client's specific needs. The goal is to create proposals that resonate deeply with your prospects, making them feel like you've designed it just for them. Stick around because I'll show you how easy it is to create proposals that not only look professional, but also feel like a perfect fit for your clients. First, let's get one thing straight. A one-size-fits-all approach is a mistake. You've probably tried using popular proposal software, but nothing beats making it personal. The key to a successful proposal is personalization. A tailored proposal doesn't just address your client's needs. It shows you understand their unique situation, and that's where you'll win the deal. Start by researching the client's business. Get to know their industry, their pain points, and their specific goals. You want to gather all the relevant data before writing a single word. This will not only help you build a proposal that speaks to their needs, but also position you as an expert who understands their challenges. It shows you've invested time into understanding them, which makes your proposal stand out. Next, customize your introduction. Don't start with generic language. Begin with something that acknowledges their specific situation. For example, instead of saying, "We can help your business grow," try, "Based on our research, we know your company is facing challenges in X area, and we have a proven strategy to help you overcome them." Then structure your proposal around solving their problems. Break down the proposal into clear, specific sections that show how your solution aligns with their needs. Include measurable results to show them exactly what they can expect. You want them to envision themselves succeeding with your solution, so be clear and concise in outlining how you can help them achieve their goals. Another tip is to use dynamic content where you can personalize each section by using their business name, industry terminology, or even a reference to a recent conversation. This simple tactic can make your proposal feel more like a conversation rather than a generic sales pitch. The more they see you've tailored the proposal to their specific needs, the more they'll trust you. The design of your proposal also matters. Use professional-looking templates, but again, make sure you customize them to reflect your client's branding, colors, and overall aesthetic. This small touch makes a huge difference in how the proposal is perceived and how seriously the client takes it. Now, let's talk about software. I've tested many proposal tools, but the software we'll be using today stands out because of its ability to integrate personalization effortlessly. If you want to follow along and take your proposal game to the next level, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Finally, here's your key takeaway. To build custom proposals that feel tailored, you must personalize your approach in both content and design. The more you can speak directly to your client's needs and challenges, the more likely your proposal will stand out and win you the deal. To recap, research the client and their needs thoroughly. Personalize your introduction and content to speak directly to their pain points. Use dynamic content to make it feel like a conversation. Design your proposal to reflect their branding and style. Remember, the software we used is linked in the description below. Take advantage of the free trial and start building proposals that will leave a lasting impression. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next proposal.